Which layer of the OSI model is responsible for end-to-end communication and error recovery? A. Network. B. Transport. C. Data link. D. Physical. Answer. The transport layer, layer 4, is responsible for end-to-end communication and error recovery in the OSI model. Question 2. A frame that enters a switch fails the frame check sequence. Which two interface counters are increment? Choose 2. Correct answers. A. Input errors. D. CRC. Question 3. How do TCP and UDP differ in the way that they establish a connection between two endpoints? Correct answer. TCP is connection-oriented and establishes a connection using a three-way handshake, while UDP is connectionless and does not establish a connection before sending data. Which 802.11 frame type is used for association response? A. Management. B. Protected frame. C. Action. D. Control. Correct answer. A. Management. Question 5. In which way does a spine and leaf architecture allow for scalability in a network when additional access ports are required? A. A spine switch and a leaf switch can be added with redundant connections between them. B. A spine switch can be added with at least 40 gigabytes uplinks. C. A leaf switch can be added with connections to every spine switch. D. A leaf switch can be added with a single connection to a core spine switch. Answer C. A leaf switch can be added with connections to every spine switch. Question 6. Which command automatically generates an IPv6 address from a specified IPv6 prefix and the MAC address of an interface? Correct answer. B. Question 7. When configuring IPv6 on an interface, which two IPv6 multicast groups are joined? Choose 2. Correct answer. D and E. Question 8. What is the default behavior of a Layer 2 switch when a frame with an unknown destination MAC address is received? Correct answer. C. The Layer 2 switch floods packets to all ports except the receiving port in the given VLAN.